Good morning. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. It's day 5 of December dailies, and today I thought I'd get slightly more creative, and I'm going to finally use my beautiful little Jesus cutout from the Little Golden Book Christmas storybook, and then I have this star, and I thought I would put the star up here and then try to use stickers to spell out Jesus is the reason for the season, and that's going to be my spread for today. But you know, I just heard and saw thousands of geese flying overhead. Right in the middle of our city, we have wildlife refuge wetlands, protected wetlands, and they were congregating. They're meeting up to fly south, I guess. And just to hear them all honking over the house, and I wish I could have gotten my camera out fast enough, but it was attached to my tripod and everything, and I just couldn't do it. But I just love the sound of the geese flying overhead. It's not a particularly pretty song. They don't have a song really, but it's just so awesome to hear that sound, that we have that nature right here in our very own front yard. Just about. It's right across the street, and then there's another larger one about half a mile away, and it's just neat that we can have that right in the middle of the city, because we used to live out in the middle of nowhere, and the geese would congregate in the field behind our house. We lived in between two large dairy farms, and we would hear that all the time because there was also a little lake there too. And I thought when we moved we'd never hear it again, but I was wrong. And in fact, we have more wildlife in the city than we saw out in the country. It's kind of crazy. The deer are just all over the place, and where we lived before, we would get some deer going through our backyard eating our apples from our apple trees, but you didn't see them very often because they stayed hidden. I think maybe because it was a hunting area. I mean, we didn't allow hunting on our land, but that may be why they stayed hidden so much. But anyway, I'm getting off track. Let's get Jesus glued down here. So let's get Jesus glued down. I did ink him around the edges so he would stand out a little bit off the page, because he's kind of like the same color as the page. And then the star, I was thinking about trying to take that off, but I don't think that's going to work. I don't want to ruin it, so what I'm going to try to do is just put some extra glue on it, and we'll put this up here. The star has wire wrapped around it with a couple of little clear beads. It's really cute. And so we'll put that there. I do hope I have enough felt numbers for the whole, at least up until Christmas. I'm not sure if I'm going to go beyond Christmas. I might not. We'll see. We shall see. But we're going to put number 4 right here. And now I'm going to get my stickers out, and I'm just going to go put them on off camera because I think it's going to be pretty frustrating. Alright, so here is day 4 of my December daily. Unfortunately, I did not have enough gold letters. I didn't have enough of hardly any color letters to make them all be the same. So I don't love that they're not all the same color, but I got the job done. Yes, I just realized this was day 4. This is day 5. We gotta get a 5 on here. Silly me. Alright. Where are you, 5? Okay, day 5. Once again, we'll start all over. I hope you enjoyed day 5 of December daily, and I hope you'll join me tomorrow for day 6. Hope you're doing well and you're happy and healthy, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.